First, I'd like to introduce myself, and I would like to say that my project name is the Ultimate Planner. My name is Cesar Garcia. My GitHub user Cesar Garcia Jr. My EDX user Cesar Garcia Jr. I'm living in Dublin, Ireland, but I'm from Brazil, and I'm recording this video on the 28th of December 2024. So because of this time of the year, um, we are keen to make goals for the next year. And thinking about that, I designed and developed the what I call the Ultimate Planner that will help you organize your life and stay on track to achieve your goals. So here it's my landing page where I set a few key features of my application and why should I choose the Ultimate Planner. I also added some links here for my GitHub and LinkedIn, and say this is just for educational purpose from the Harvard CS50 course for 2024. So first of all, there is navbar with a home with um, the Ultimate Planner link, a home link, register and login. If you click start now, it will direct you to the login page. If you don't have an account yet, you can register. So let's do this now. So user, I'll just set up a quick account. Oops, this already exists. So let's try like this. Okay, so now we can log in to our account, and this will bring us to the dashboard. First of all, you see the navbar changed a little bit. So there is the home button, categories, and logout now once you logged in. So here you have two buttons to add category and goal, and once it's empty, it will give you a steps how to use the application. First, you have to create some categories, and then you have to add a few goals. So because of the video it's taking too long, so I'll just speed up a little bit. So let's say I want to add a healthy category for the next year, right? So it will generate for my semester, trimester, and monthly goals. If I go here to categories, it will also show my categories that I'm added. So I'll put here finance. Maybe I can put also career and education. There you go. So I have a few categories here, so now I can start adding my goals. So let's say for my health, I want to lose weight. And here I'll list my categories, and I can see for the next year I want to lose 25 kilo. Oh, that's too much, maybe 15. And then I can select for the time frame, which kind of goal is it? Year, semester, trimester, or month. I can set this as important or as done and add my goal. So once I added my goal, it will show in my category, you know, how much, what's my goal like. And here I can set this as done or set this as important. It will add icons and remove icons from my goal. I also can edit it and update this goal, or I can also delete, but a message will come here and say if I really want to delete this goal. So this helps you break down your goals. And let's say about lose weight, so I have to start a gym membership. So then still for the health, but then I'll do this in the first semester of the year. Start in January gym. And then I'll put for the semester and add this goal. So then this will help me break down my big goals. So for the year, I know I want to lose 15 kilos of weight. But then for the first semester, what I'm gonna do for the health and in order to achieve that goal. So I'll start a gym membership, and my success criteria will be start in January at the gym. And then so on, I can set these smaller and smaller tasks and goals for the trimester, for the first trimester, second trimester, and for the monthly goals, and in helping in order to achieve my yearly goal, my big goal, which is lose 15 weights. And so on, I can do this for finance, for creating emergency fund, or career to get a new position, or education to start a new course, or whatever. So this, um, it's basically my application. I'll just show you something else for the whale, like eat healthy. Oops, healthy. And I'll put this for health here, and I'll start eating better, just to show um, how this would behave under the category sessions, right? So if I put in here, add another goal, healthy, I'll start run, um, run 5, run a marathon, let's say, for the year, and just to show you here how it will behave under my um, application, right? So just to show you as well, here I make this fully responsive for mobile version as well. So it it's working fine. I mean, it's all 100% responsive. Just because the video is taking too long, I just want to go quick through my documentation details, where I documented everything since my motivations for making this application. I made a index page here with my user experiences and my epics. I also added my agile methodologies here, where you can see my Kanban GitHub tool. I actually have to move this one here because I finished. So basically, I added here step by step of my application and everything I needed to do in order to achieve and develop this application. I also added this database flowchart and described the relations between the models of the database. Put a little bit of summary of the model relationships here. My design choices with the hex colors I wanted this. Oh, I just have to check why my wireframes are not being loaded here, but this will be updated in the latest version of the README files. I have my features explanations here about my landing page, also about register, login, the dashboard, also add categories, edit categories, added goals, and edit goals. And also I did a bunch of tests. I did so many manual testings here. So this is my manual testing for the testing the core functionality, testing the models. Here the goal model testing, authorization testing, responsiveness testing. I also run the Google Lighthouse tests in each page. You could see here the scores I got for each page. A few bugs and issues that I've solved and some I didn't. Here's my code validations. I run the W3C validator HTML checker in each of the page, so you can access this in here as well. I also did the validation of the CSS and Python linter with my VS Code. I deployed this project on GitHub and also in Heroku, so you can see this online. I also left the link up here. So I have the link up here if you want to see the live demonstration, or even here or also here. And just to go quick through this, I also added the technologies I used, credits for everything I learned, and some of the technologies I used for the content and for the media. And here's my acknowledgements that I wanted to read out for you to finish this video. And so that's my acknowledgements. So I'd like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the entire CS50 team, especially to Dave J. Malone, for the incredible dedication and passion for teaching. This project is a culmination of everything I learned so far, and in the FAR course, and it reflects the invaluable lessons and skills imparted throughout. A special thanks to the University and Harvard Online and EDX for making this transformative learning experience accessible. The journey through this project challenged me to think critically, solve problems creatively, and deepen my understanding of web programming with Python. This project not only allowed me to apply my knowledges, but also gave me the opportunity to explore designing and building a project from scratch, further solidifying my learning and appreciation for the art of programming. Harvard University, thank you very much. And this was my final project of CS50. Thank you.